As dropshippers, finding the best winning products to sell is one of the biggest challenges we can face. We need to find a product with a wow factor. That product also needs to add some kind of value in somebody's life. And also that product shouldn't be found anywhere because everyone could get it at their local store. All of this process usually takes a lot of time from us. So in order for us to get this whole process started, we need to go to, yes, you're right, social media. That's where all the fun is. You're probably aware of this by now, but social media is the biggest engine that's propelling this winning product movement. Alright, so we're gonna do product research on social media. Which one of the platforms? We have Facebook, we have TikTok, we have Pinterest, we have Instagram. The thing is that all of these platforms are massively different. The winning products that we find on TikTok are very different from the ones that we can find on Facebook, and they are very different from the ones that we find on Instagram. They are very different from the ones that we find on Pinterest. So what platform should we go to? So now the question is, what do you do? How do you find the best trending products out there? And the answer is simple. All you have to do is go to this website right here. It's called Minea. So in today's video, we're gonna dive into this platform. We're gonna dive into Minea, and I'm gonna explain to you how does it work and how can you use it to get the best outcome possible out of it. Also, this is just a piece of the puzzle. In my opinion, Minea is very good on its own, but it's not complete. It needs the other piece of the puzzle to be complete. I think that every person should find out what works for them and they should come up with their own product research method. I'm just gonna share mine in this video. It's made out of Minea and AutoDS, and I'm gonna talk a bit about AutoDS and how you can use it best in combination with Minea to get the best outcome possible. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get this party started. First things first, let's start with the pricing. It starts at $49 per month for the starter kit. Premium goes for $99 and business for $399. If you want to test it out for free though, if you scroll a bit down, you're gonna have the option to try it for free for 100 credits. So they basically are gonna give you 100 credits for free just for you to check out the vibe of this platform. In my opinion, you can get started with the starter package, which is $49 per month. It gives you more than enough to get started. Let's talk a bit about the differences. So the starter one gives you 10,000 credits, gives you access to Facebook ads, some influencer placements, and details of ads and placements, advanced filters, and Chrome extensions. On the other side, the premium offers you basically 100,000 credits, Facebook ads, and on top of that, you have TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, and shop analysis. And the business is basically more AI oriented. It gives you all of the starter and premium ones, plus some more things such as AliExpress suppliers, winning products AI, creative AI, saturation AI. You're gonna get top 10 daily winning products and one-click import to Shopify. Alright, so here we are. This is our Minea account. This is the homepage that you're gonna get greeted with once you sign up with them. The thing I wanna focus on this video is ads. So let's go to ads. As you can see, we can change between Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. And also on the left-hand side, you have some filters such as dates. Let's click on that. You have scene date, creation date, first scene date, and last scene date. So you can basically filter all of the ads based on the last time it was seen, the first time it was seen, when it was created, media type, CTA, e-commerce platform, languages, filter by engagement, also likes, comments, share, reactions, and advanced targeting audience by age and sex, countries, and if it's drop shipping. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of different ads with all kinds of products in all kinds of different languages. So we need to filter this a bit down. So for that, first of all, let's go to countries. I think that if you want to go worldwide, you should start with the US and UK because those are the biggest markets that you can target. So let's just go with the US, apply. And also select is dropshipping because we are dropshippers and we want to see what is our competition selling. Right here, we're going to stick with Facebook. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to find all types of winning ads of dropshipping products. As you can see, we also have some filters here such as weekly winners, best of the month, season cash machine, recent dropshipping, and Q4 winners. So let's go to weekly winners. This will show us what's trending in this week alone. If we scroll a bit down, let's just check out this product right here. This is like a cool product. I've seen this in a lot of places. It has 90,000 likes, 17,000 comments, and more than 20,000 shares. So this is pretty promising for a product. Now, as you can see, they have two buttons here, see ad post and see product. If you click on this, it will take us to the ad that's selling the product on Facebook. And if you click on this one, it should take us to the store that's selling the product. So this is the store. You can scroll around. You can see what they are doing, how they are doing it, how they are selling this product. As you can see, they are using GIFs. GIFs are very, very, very useful when you're building a product page. And a lot of testimonials. I would highly recommend you to use testimonials on all of your dropshipping stores, because it gives the users confidence to buy from you. It makes them see that somebody else have bought the product before they did and they are pretty happy about it. They also posted a picture, so you will gain more confidence from your potential buyers. If you scroll a bit down here, you're gonna find some more useful information. So audience country, Canada, you have audience gender, male, running for 6 months. Now, if an ad has been running for more than 6 months, you could safely say that that's a pretty profitable ad. And you also have an engagement graph here that shows you how well the engagement has grown. All right, so in order for us to see more about this product, let's just click on the see more. It should take us to the Minea page that shows this product. This is the name of the shop that's selling this product that they found. It's been running for 6 months. It's still running, language English. Right, so the ad copy. The ad copy, this is pretty basic, I would say. You could do a bit more effort than this. Let's scroll a bit down and see, like, you're gonna get a lot of demographics here, a lot of information about that. But the magic search, this is the part that interests me also. You could scroll here and you can find the same product basically. I had no idea how huge is the competition for one single product, and that's any product that you can think about. So I was thinking that if 2 or 3 stores are selling the same product, then that's a competition. But no, Minea showed me that there are hundreds over maybe thousands of stores worldwide that are selling the same identical product. Now what's really cool about this is the fact that you can click on any of these ads. Let's click on this one, for example. It has a destination link. Now the very cool thing about Minea is the fact that you're gonna get a lot of sources for this same product, meaning that you're gonna get a lot of product pages. Usually when I do product research, I tend to learn from the competitors. I wanna see what they are doing and how they are doing things so I can learn from them to do mine better. All right, so let's scroll a bit down. Let's check out, let's say this one. It has 90,000 likes. So as you can see, it has a different destination link. If you click on that, it will take you to a different page. So you can see how others are selling the same product. I think this one even looks better. It's dedicated for Germany from what I see. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see other gifts. You're gonna see a better color coding. It looks nicer. The reviews are different, right? So you can learn from all of these. You can check out 5 or 10 competitors. Now, this is pretty much everything you need to know about product research. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like you can take any product from here, put it on your store, and start making millions of dollars. It doesn't work like that. Everybody would be a millionaire, right? What you need to do next is to go to each product that you find and go to see ad post. By doing this, you're gonna see some social proof. You need a social proof in order to confirm if a product is doing well or not. For example, this product right here has 1.4K likes and 36 comments. It is designated to reach only the German audience. So let's check out another product from Minea. I mean, the same product, but it's a different audience. All right, so after we go through all of this process, find a winning product that we want to sell, check if it has social proof, decide on it, we need to find a supplier for the product, right? So for that, all you have to do is click on Find Suppliers and click on Find on AliExpress. This is using these images to find suppliers that are selling the same image in a product, right? So you can find a lot of suppliers that are selling this product. Let's just pick one of them, click it. It should take us to the AliExpress product page. Now, this took us to the AliExpress product page. Basically, this is a seller that's selling this product. It says here that they sold more than 5,000 pieces. So it's a pretty solid supplier, I would say. Now, the next thing that we have to do is to scroll a bit down and check out the description. And this is where I think the missing piece of puzzle comes in. AutoDS is the missing piece of the puzzle that will make all of this experience perfect. So with Minea, you're gonna find the products and vet them, see what products are worthy to be sold to your store, and with AutoDS you're gonna import them to your store. And right now I'm gonna show you some amazing features for AutoDS. Now I know that you don't want this on your website. You don't want this is an AliExpress description. It's a Chinese translated description usually, and people can smell this from miles away, right? You don't want something like this on your store. So what we need to do in order to import this product to our store successfully is to go to AutoDS, click on the Add Products button. You have single products, you have multiple products, or bulk importing. If you click on this, you're gonna have the option to upload the CCV. So if you have more than one product, you can upload it here. Now, this is one of the best perks of AutoDS. Let's go back to AliExpress and let me explain to you why. This takes a lot of time and energy to put on your store. So you're gonna have a lengthy description. You're gonna have a lot of pictures that go with that description. You're gonna have some gifts. So each and every product page that you're building has to be from a specific product, right? So if you have 5, 10 products, that's okay. You can do that manually. It takes around 10 to 20 minutes to build one single product page. So it is pretty time consuming, I would say. Now, if you do this with 10 products a day, you don't want that. You don't want to waste so much time. This is why AutoDS will become very handy, because you can bulk import, and even if you want to import one single product, you can import it with just a few clicks and get the best outcome possible in the shortest amount of time possible. So let's go back to our business here. All you have to do is click on this link, copy it, go to AutoDS, click on the add product, single product, and there you go, you have the link here. It automatically detected it as AliExpress and region from China. You can publish it to your store right away, or you can edit it. I would highly recommend you to edit it, because there are a lot of cool things in here that I want to show you. So for example, you're gonna have everything here. Also the title of the product, you can assign it to a collection, you can give it a tag, you can assign shipping methods to it, country location, default city, blah blah blah. So what interests me is this right here. You can change the title. Of course, you don't want this title to your product, right? Titles should be short and they should mean something. They should be meaningful, funny sometimes, right? They should not look like this. So this is pet grooming, needle, brush, magic, massage, comb hair. They are using all of these names because they want to integrate SEO to their website. So whenever somebody writes any of these words, they will get a product from AliExpress, more specifically this product, right? So this is in their interest. You do not want this on your store because you're gonna run ads most likely. All right, so let's click optimize title with AI. Right here we have title, description, and title plus description. Right now we're just gonna focus on title. So let's choose a tone. This will be the tone of our title. We're gonna use artificial intelligence to give our product title a tone, right? Make it more professional, make it more sellable, funny. Let's do funny, and let's choose a temperature of, let's say, more creative, right? So that's it. AI right, click on that and let it do its magic. Unleash the Fur Be Gone wand, the ultimate pet spa experience kit for primping, purchase, and family. This is a bit too long though. It did a very good job, but I would delete a few parts of this just so it looks better. Alright, so I decided on this title for my product, Fur Be Gone Wand, the ultimate pet spa experience. I feel like I'm in Harry Potter right now. And you can do the exact same with the description of the product. You can make it sound, I don't know, funny and also more creative, just like we did with the title. Click on AI Write. It is going to write us an amazing description that we can just copy and paste to our website. Now, you don't need to entirely copy and paste it. You can do some changes in there. I would highly recommend you to do that because, as we all know, AI is here to help us, right? It's not here to replace us. It's here to help us. So we can use AI to get some help in writing the best and original product description that we can. I highly advise you to change the description. Do not let the Chinese description, because people do not like that. They do not enjoy reading something like that. Make sure to use AI if you like to, because AI is years ahead of us. It knows how to trigger those psychological points in your customers. Next up, we have variants. Now, with variants, you can decide what colors and what variants for the specific product that you imported to AutoDS you want to keep and what variants you want to delete, right? So, for example, if you want to delete this one, you can just click on delete and that's about it. It takes like 3 seconds and you're only gonna have this. I have a small advice to give you. If you have a product that has multiple variants that are pretty much useless, and I say useless in the sense of this product. So for example, the green one does the same thing as the blue one. The blue one does the same thing as the red one. So colors don't quite matter. The product will work exactly the same. So my advice for you here would be to keep it as simple as possible. If you have a product just like this one that has 20 different variants, you don't wanna keep them all. You wanna eliminate 90% of them. Go with only 2 or 3 variants. Go with the color red for girls, blue for boys, and maybe another neutral color such as black or green or whatever. You don't want to overcomplicate things because psychologically speaking, people will find it hard to pick the right color that they want to buy from your store, right? And if they cannot just buy your product, there is a chance that you will lose them. Next up, we have images. Now with images, you can keep all of the images or you can eliminate some of them if you don't like them. I would keep things simple here as well. I would just go with the colors that I'm selling and maybe a few like product specifics. How does the product work? And maybe a few pictures of the product being in use and some gifts, and that's about it. And finally, we have item specifications, which tells us what is the type of the item, what material is it made out of, where is the origin, and what can you use it for. Now, after you've done everything your way, after you think that the title looks nice, the description looks nice, and the pictures that you want to use for your product page look nice, all you have to do is click on this button right here, Save and Import. This would take the product from the drafts and it will import it right away to your store, so the visitors of your store will be able to see the product page just as you edited it. Alright guys, so as a conclusion, Minea is a very good tool that you can use to filter out the best products that you can sell on your dropshipping store. Minea also helps us pick these products based on their social proof, so we can always check the ads that are being run with that product from multiple sources so we can make a good decision. But the next step is kind of missing. This is why I like to call Minea one piece of the puzzle and AutoDS the other piece of the puzzle, and together will get you the best experience possible. You will get the best outcome possible out of this whole process, product research and product importing, by using these two tools together. Guys, thank you for watching. Check out AutoDS, it's in the first link in the description. You will not regret it. Making this video has been a lot of fun. Make sure to drop us a like to help us with the YouTube algorithm, and until next time.